Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Alibaba? This is going to be the only beginner's guide that you'll ever need on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply search for Alibaba just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and open the official website just like that. And now this is the page layout that you're going to be greeted with. So as you can see on the top, there's all categories, featured sections, order protection, and on the right hand side, there's buyer central, help center, app and extension, and become a supplier. On the top right, there is going to be your account settings where you want to simply log in. Right beside that, there's going to be your shopping cart, and beside that is going to be your trade assurance, and then there's going to be your messages, as you can see. So in order for you to go ahead and purchase something or even browse something per se, there are going to be categories on the left hand side of your screen right over here, as you can see. So there's apparels and accessories, consumer electronics, sports and entertainment, beauty, jewelry, home and garden, shoes and accessories, luggages, packaging, parents, kids, personal care, home care, a bunch of other things that you can go ahead and look into. For example, let's say I want consumer electronics and I want laptops. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Simply scroll down, and as you can see, we can find a lot of different brands that are made in China, high quality, low prices. That is what they are known for, as you can see. So if that is something you don't want, you can simply go ahead and go back into the categories and simply go ahead and look for example, cameras. And now here I can simply go ahead and select one I like. So for example, if I like this Canon camera, I'm just going to click on chat now. And once I do that, as you can see, the supply is going to be here. All I can do is simply go ahead and talk with them and make sure I go ahead and check what kind of supplier they are as well. So in order to do that, just click on the ad and simply scroll all the way down until you find know your supplier, trading company, 1 year on Alibaba. Simply click on company profile and check if they're a solid deal or big deal. So it looks like they're from Colorado, United States, 11 to 50 people working, 20-25 years established, 1 to 2.5 million yearly revenue. They do seem pretty legit, but in order for you to go ahead and really confirm it, what you want to do is copy their name and simply just go ahead and search on your Google, and then you can go ahead and find these people. So for example, I have not found a single camera manufacturer in that name right over here. So all these things really does matter at the end. So now in order to order, all you just need to do is just go ahead and send an inquiry, chat with them, go ahead and finalize your order, and they'll place an order right here on the application. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.